Today we're going to convert LaTeX into HTML using pandoc. The first thing we're going to do is navigate to pandoc online. Next, we're going to select the option from LaTeX to HTML5. We're next going to click Standalone, and we're going to change from Plain Math into MathML. We're next going to choose a LaTeX file, to convert into HTML. And I'm going to navigate to a folder I have with LaTeX files. I'm going to open that folder, and I'm going to navigate to the specific document I want. I'm going to click on that document and upload it. I'm then going to click on Convert. And I'm going to click on Download to pandoc.html. I'm going to click on the result, and I should have marked up MathML accessible math in the HTML format from LaTeX.